If we can't make it better for the technician in the field, then we don't do it. Fieldpiece is committed to designing, engineering, and producing quality products that enhance the way techs do their jobs every day. Our focus is to make your job easier, faster, and better. One of the many ways we do this is by welcoming dependable and knowledgeable HVACR pros to test out new and existing products. We take your feedback to R&D to optimize, upgrade, engineer, and produce the best products possible. Another is by going on ride-alongs with HVACR pros in the field to keep a pulse on what is happening and identify industry problems we can build innovative solutions for. We watch and learn from techs all across the US and want to find our inspiration for new innovations at the source. Want to be a part of the change you'd like to see in our industry? Let's work together to create the next big thing in HVACR. Visit fieldpiece.com to sign up as a candidate for our beta tester or ride-along programs today. Follow us on social media to stay in the know about all things Fieldpiece.